Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open System Settings and select Touch ID to begin the setup process. You will be asked to add a fingerprint and follow on-screen prompts. Place the same finger on the sensor repeatedly until the progress graph reaches completion. Lift and reposition your finger 8 to 10 times to capture full fingerprint edges. Next, you must create a numeric passcode of 4 to 6 digits for backup authentication. Keep your finger and sensor clean during setup to avoid registration errors. Wake or sleep your MacBook Air and touch the sensor to unlock instantly. You can sign in to apps and approve system prompts with a single touch. When installing apps, a Touch ID prompt will appear for quick authorization. Enable Apple Pay and Wallet and use Touch ID to confirm purchases in Safari and supported apps. Maintain 1 to 2 registered fingers for convenience and 1 extra finger as a backup. Touch ID works only when the sensor and your finger are dry and clean. If Touch ID stops recognizing prints, first clean the sensor and your finger with a dry cloth. Moisture, oils, or lotions can block correct fingerprint sensing and cause failures. If cleaning does not help, open System Settings and remove the problematic fingerprint, then re-add it. A restart often clears temporary hardware or software glitches affecting Touch ID performance. Also check for Mac OS updates and install them to receive security and sensor improvements. If problems continue, contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.